Hello everyone, I am Shoaib Mohammad Musharraf, representing the team debuggers. So one of my friend teammate is from agriculture background, but they often see some problems like a farming place is suitable for a crop to grow, but there are also other factors which are based on solely the soil. The micronutrients that are involved when uh, starting of the farming and after the farming ends, it's a hell and heaven difference, but there is no intermediate checking. Also based on the budget, weather condition and places, how much production of crops can be done, it's not been estimated by any kind of means of software. All these things some or other is present in an unorganized way, but we are developing the solution AgriSmart.ai, AgriSmart, which is a AI based solution and a community based platform of farming smarter. So there are few features we have been mentioned. First of all, soil analysis and crop make recommendation based on the NPK values of the soil and the humidity, and based on all these things we can recommend which are the top 5 crops based on the confidence score. Then we have a disease prediction and prevention based on our MN machine learning model and deep learning model. We can predict that whether the crop has diseased leaf or not, and we also keep the prevention of that. Then we have a weather forecasting and prediction. Based on that, we can tell the farmer whether they should grow these things today or not, or based on a time basis. After that, we have a AI powered agriculture assistant, which is not like mere a chat GPT kind of thing. It's solely based on agriculture related query, and it solely focuses on that. Other than these things, it can reject them. Also, we have a time series model which can tell based on the location, district, and the amount of ground on that, how much production can be done based on certain parameters, and which crop can be grown. It can be predicted after 1 year. We also have a community based support where every farmer can connect to each other to solve their problems and help each other. So this is our home page, and you can see. So we're getting a sign up. So creating my name, sort of. So user registered successfully. Now I'm getting to logged. So user successfully logged in. So this is our first feature. This is disease prediction. So first of all, I am downloading a disease leaf from our dataset. Uh, it's a plant village dataset we have used. So if I download any image like potato early blight, 1 second. So I have downloaded, and if I just put it in, it's predicting correctly potato early blight. There is this disease description and the recommended treatment of that. Also, if I download any other crop image like tomato early blight. Huh. Then also it's predicting tomato early blight. Confidence score is 76%. This is disease description and recommended treatment of that. So we have used a deep learning model, which is a custom based deep learning model. I have a conference paper on that, which has been published in Dr. Symposia, and it has 1 crore parameter, which is very much less than the other transfer learning model like ResNet 50, BGG 16, and DenseNet 120. It is very lightweight and also beneficial for integrating in the mobile application and web integration. Next, we have the feature of crop prediction based on the features like soil nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, pH value, rainfall, temperature, and humidity. We can predict the top 5 crops based on the confidence score, and we can get the fertilizer recommendation also. That so if I test it, all this. So we have used a random forest model in that. Uh, it has an accuracy of MAC 8, and huh, it's correctly predicting the top 5 recommended crops based on the confidence score: mango, coconut, chickpea, coffee, and pig and peas. And if I select it, and it will generate the recommendation: are excessive, avoid fertilizer containing this. Next, we have the feature of weather forecast based on the weather forecasting, and we have a dashboard. We can say the optimal condition or current weather condition are ideal for wheat cultivation, and we have a weather alert system also, like light rainfall expected next week. Plan your harvesting activities accordingly. Next, we have AI assistant chatbot. It's solely mm, focus on the agriculture related queries, and it also multilingual, like আমার ফসলের জন্য আবহাওয়ার পূর্বাভাস. Then it will generate this prompt in Bengali, the response. Also we can use it in what are the best practices for organic farming. It will generate that. Also we have crop production prediction, in that selecting a state, West Bengal, selecting a potato. It will generate 42.6 tons of total expected production after 2025. We have also this community support of that, but I have earlier mentioned. Farmers can connect to each other. Also, we have one model like moisture soil moisture checker for crops, which in the backend has been used a knowledge base where ideal soil moisture value for each crop has been given, and from that we can generate the, like, if I yes, and it will give the recommended soil moisture is too high, the recommended harvest the crop. It's a release of it. So meanwhile, in this online hackathon, we have developed the software system. But if we go to further to the next round, we will make a hardware system which will be integrated to the software, where this in the crop prediction, where this nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium value, which have earlier in this video you have seen that we have manually typed it, but using the hardware and the sensor, we can we can take it from the soil itself, and we can send it to the microcontroller for logic purpose and send it to IoT cloud. From that we can fetch that. So in the further development, we can integrate the hardware for this NPK value and moisture extraction. And this is all. Thank you.